Chapter 5 Facts about Coffee. 1. Global popularity. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world, with over 2.25 billion cups consumed daily. It plays a significant role in various cultures and societies around the globe. 2. Origins. Coffee is believed to have originated in Ethiopia. According to legend, a goat herder named Kaldi discovered the energizing effects of coffee beans when he noticed his goats becoming more energetic after eating the berries from a certain tree. 3. Health benefits. Coffee contains antioxidants and essential nutrients like riboflavin, vitamin B2, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, manganese, potassium, and magnesium. Studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption can be associated with a lower risk of certain diseases, including Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and type 2 diabetes. 4. Economic impact. Coffee is a major economic commodity, second only to oil in terms of global trade value. It supports the livelihoods of millions of farmers, particularly in developing countries in Central and South America, Africa, and Asia. 5. Decaffeination. The process of decaffeinating coffee was first developed in the early 1900s by German coffee merchant Ludwig Roselius. Today, there are several methods to remove caffeine from coffee beans, including the Swiss water process and CO2 extraction. Types of coffee. 1. Espresso. A concentrated coffee brewed by forcing a small amount of nearly boiling water through finely ground coffee beans. It's the base for many other coffee drinks. 2. Americano. Made by diluting a shot of espresso with hot water, giving it a similar strength to drip coffee, but with a different flavor profile. 3. Latte. Consists of a shot of espresso with steamed milk and a small amount of milk foam on top. It's creamy and less strong compared to plain espresso. 4. Cappuccino. Similar to a latte, but with a greater proportion of foam to steamed milk, typically served in smaller portions. 5. Macchiato. An espresso stained or marked with a small amount of steamed milk or milk foam. It has a stronger coffee flavor compared to a latte. 6. Mocha. A combination of espresso, steamed milk, and chocolate syrup, topped with whipped cream. It's a sweet and indulgent coffee drink. 7. Cold brew. Made by steeping coarsely ground coffee beans in cold water for an extended period, usually 12 to 24 hours. It results in a smooth, less acidic coffee drink that is served cold. 8. Flat white. Similar to a latte but with a higher ratio of coffee to milk and a velvety microfoam texture. It originated in Australia and New Zealand. Importance of coffee. 1. Social and cultural significance. Coffee houses have historically been places for social interaction, intellectual exchange, and cultural activities. They continue to be important community hubs and meeting places. 2. Economic impact. As a major global commodity, coffee supports the livelihoods of millions of people, from farmers and processors to baristas and retailers. It also drives significant economic activity and trade. 3. Health benefits. In addition to providing a natural energy boost due to its caffeine content, coffee contains antioxidants and nutrients that can contribute to overall health. Studies suggest that regular coffee consumption may be associated with various health benefits. 4. Environmental considerations. The cultivation and processing of coffee have significant environmental impacts. Sustainable coffee farming practices, such as shade-grown and organic coffee, aim to reduce these impacts and promote biodiversity. 5. Innovation and variety. The coffee industry is constantly evolving, with new brewing techniques, flavors, and products being developed. This innovation keeps the coffee experience fresh and exciting for consumers. In conclusion, coffee is more than just a beverage. It's a global phenomenon with deep cultural, economic, and health-related significance. Whether you enjoy a simple espresso or a complex cold brew, coffee's rich history and variety make it an integral part of daily life for millions of people worldwide.